Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be installing Windows Vista onto my Medion MT6 multimedia desktop PC. Now, a little backstory on this computer. My parents bought it in Germany for money, and here it is. Yeah. So that's very vague, but I'm going to be installing Windows Vista onto this Medion MT6, and I've replaced the hard drive with a similar Seagate Barracuda 7200.7. This is the computer's original drive. They're very similar, just slightly different models. But anyways, turn on the computer and boot to the CD. And let me show you guys what happens if I try to boot to the hard drive. So I've cloned the original hard drive. I've cloned the hard drive that came from this PC originally to the new hard drive. And Windows XP has some trouble booting on here. So as you can see, and everything looks normal, but it stays on this screen for a while and then it just restarts. So I'm going to be I'm just going to restart that. Pentium 4 logo, and I'm booting this off of a USB CD-ROM drive because it's not booting from the two internal drives. So it takes a while to boot, so I'll be back once it's booted into the setup. Okay, so after about, I think, an hour, we're finally at this point in the installation, and let me just, let me just click next. Does it say click different, select different volume? I think that's, come on. New. Okay. Now it's gonna take like another, 15 minutes? I don't know why it's so slow. It could be the USB ports. I think USB 2 was already out by then. But I don't think it should be this slow. When I would use the internal DVD ROM drive, it would stay on the boot screen. It would be just stuck there and it would never continue. Yeah. Oh, I guess I'll just have to wait. Okay, so it's unable to write to the hard disk. I think there's some error that came up. It says it didn't translate it properly down here, but some said something about it couldn't write the operating system to the disk there, so I'm also running out of time to make this YouTube video, so I think I'm gonna have to end it here. This is gonna be part 1 out of hopefully part 2. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in part 2.